Okay guys, welcome to part 18, and as promised we will start creating this table. Okay, let's have a look what we got in here at the minute. Okay, just to add category link really. Okay, logged in as, throws us our name, lovely. And that is that. Okay, so what we'll do now, we'll get a couple of break tags here. And let's have a look. Okay, well we need a table. First things first. So let's open and close a table. And table row. With our header, table headers on there. How many table headers do we need? Category name, so one category URL, date added, time added, edit and delete 6. Okay, before we do this, let's style the table header. We'll style it, say background color, excuse me, 999. The color of the font then should be white. Oh, and font size, put that at 20 pixels, and then the font weight. Again, we can put this in our style sheet, which I might do later on, but for now we'll just style the table as it stands. And actually, talking about styling the table, let's make that 100%. Put the border in there so we can see what we're working with if we need to change things. Cell spacing or padding. So cell spacing is going to be 3. Cell padding, well, yep, 3 as well. Okay. Right, now, if we get this, we need another 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And category name. Category, put the URL there as well. Date added. Nope, sorry. Time added. Edit and delete. Save that out and have a look, see what she looks like. Not the prettiest, but again we can style properly later on. I might even spend 2 or 3 tutorials later on just styling. But let's get the functionality working first. Okay, so we need to keep within this table. We might even turn what I'm about to do into a function later on, so we can just call the function in. So we need to break into our table, PHP into our table. Now we're going to talk to the database, so we'll include and where are we? Include our connect. So up, include. This is category. Where's category? There. Okay. Include connect.php. Okay. Now what we're going to need to do is select everything from the database so we can populate. MySQL query. Select all from CFA category. And right, let's break into a while loop. While row equals MySQL fetch array. course, bring in the SQL. Okay, now this is the loop that we need to echo the tables out. Sorry, not the tables, the fields. But we're going to have to do it in the loop, so we can count each record that we've put in there. Okay, let's have a look. So we need to echo first off. We need to break into another table row. Close that off. Copy that because we need to close the table row. Then echo table. Might want to do this then, guys, and then because we're going to have to concatenate. Copy this 6 times. No, sorry, copy it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, now we need to select everything from this while loop. So here we want a category name. Here we want the category URL. What's next? The date, I believe. Yeah. Okay. Row category date. Row and category time. And do you know what? For the time being, let's leave those blank. Let's make sure that this while loop's working first. Okay, upload event server categories. There we go. Look at that, guys. So I'm not happy with those times. Added 6 seconds apart. Category 2 was added before category 1, which we both know that didn't happen. So I'll sort that out another time. How's the time looking? 8 minutes? Okay, let's finish this bit of code. Okay, what we need to do here, we haven't created the page yet, but we will. Let's say, right, we want this to be called edit anyway. Right, what we're going to need to do is open href, call this edit category, which we'll probably do in the next tutorial. Right, CID, and I'll explain that a little later on because we're going to need to pull in the ID from whichever category we're going to select, like category 1 or category 2. I'm going to make it that when you hover over edit, you'll be able to see the category ID down the bottom. Okay, so category, let's have a look. What do we need to do here? We need to break out there and concatenate. That doesn't look right. Let's finish that bit of code off first, and then end that anchor tag. Okay, so like I said, we need the ID. So if we row and then category ID, that should work. Let's have a look. Let's upload to the save and upload to the server. Category. Now, if you look at the bottom, right at the bottom left hand, you can see it changing. Category. It says edit category.php question mark CID equals 1, and now CID equals 2. Okay, and I've called it CID because we can use the get method to get pull those out later. Basically we need to copy this entire echo for the delete. Let's just change that to delete and that to delete. Okay, save, upload. Can't imagine there being any problems because we just copied, and same thing. There we go. Okay guys, that is it for this tutorial. What number are we on now? Number 18. In number 19, what I will do, I'll enable us to edit and delete. So 19 will be edit, possibly delete as well. Or if not, that'll be 20, and then we'll get on to populating these with our category names. Okay guys, I shall see you in tutorial 19.